Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you a wonderful potato stuffed paratha. It's a very popular North Indian dish which makes a great breakfast. This will keep us full for a long time because of the potato filling, and also it's a meal by itself. And I hope you like this recipe. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients to make paratha. To make this recipe, I've taken 2 cups of wheat flour. To this I'm adding some salt, a tablespoon of oil. Give everything a quick mix before adding water. I'm adding warm water as required to make semi-soft dough. Add water little at a time and knead well. Make sure the dough is neither too soft nor too loose. Once everything comes together, apply some oil all over and let it rest for at least 20 minutes. Ingredients for potato mixture: this is half a kilo boiled potatoes. Put a slit on the potatoes, it will cook fast and it will reduce your cooking time. Mash the potatoes using a potato masher or a fork. Make sure the potatoes are mashed completely and there are no chunks. Potatoes should be nice and smooth like this. Let's add the spices to the potato. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of carom seeds, also called ajwain. Just crush it with your palms and add for extra flavor. 3 tablespoons of finely chopped shallots. You can also use onion. 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. 2 green chilies finely chopped. Half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Half a teaspoon cumin powder. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. And 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix till everything is well combined. After resting, knead the dough once again and divide the dough in equal portions. I have got 6 dough balls and I like to use equal quantities of dough and potato filling in my stuffed parathas. Remaining potato stuffing, you can use it to make sandwich. Ingredients for yogurt dip. I've taken 1 cup of fresh thick yogurt. Just give a whisk until you get a smooth texture. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder. Do not add salt. There is black salt in the chaat masala powder, so that will balance it out. And 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves. Give it a good mix, and that's it. Our delicious yogurt dip is ready. Take a dough ball, cover the dough with dry flour and then just flatten a bit. Just press the edges and make a cup shape as shown here. Now keep the potato stuffing in the center and press downwards gently. Bring the edges together. Keep spreading and pressing as you bring the edges together. In this way your potato will be intact, and while rolling it will not come out. Just take out the extra dough and seal well. Now the potato is nice and compact. Again coat the dough with some dry flour and roll it very gently. Do not press it hard while rolling or the filling may come out. Another method is make 2 rotis and apply the potato mixture in between, just like sandwich. Press the edges to seal and roll it flat without applying too much pressure. Now dust out the extra dry flour. Place a pan on a medium heat and add the paratha. After a minute, I am adding some ghee, also called clarified butter. You can also use oil or butter, it's up to your preference. Now flip it to the other side and cook. Keep flipping and cooking until you get a nice golden in color. In between, add some ghee. Make sure the flame is on medium throughout the cooking. This is done. I'll transfer it to a plate. Cook all the parathas in the same way. These stuffed parathas should be served immediately. Look at this. It's so soft and flaky. Check it out. It's so good. To get a soft and fluffy paratha, just follow the ingredients and the measurements. Serve hot with some nice yogurt dip or your favorite pickle or any dip of your choice. Do try this delicious recipe and share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Share this recipe with your family and friends. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.